Let's see how we can do multiple selection in drop-down in Google Sheets. We have multiple selection in drop-down Google Sheet open. And it has the data template we require. In column A, we have the year, from 2016 to 2025. In column B, we have the revenue in millions of dollars. So we have the revenue for the years given in column A. In cell D1, we want to create a drop-down where we can select multiple years. From 2016 to 2025. And in cell F2, we want to calculate the total revenue in millions of dollars, for the years selected in the D1 cell. So, to create the drop-down with multiple years selection capability, we will first head to the D1 cell. Then we will go to the Data tab. From there we will select Data Validation. And then we will click Add Rule. We see that, Applied to Range is already taken as Sheet 1 D1. Criteria is from drop-down, we will change it to drop-down from a range. And we will give the range that is the range of years, which is given in the A column, from A to A11. Let's click OK. We see that, we get the options from 2016 to 2025. Let's select Allow Multiple Selections. Let's click Done. Let's close the Data Validation rules. We see that, we get the drop-down for the years from 2016 to 2025, where we can select either one, or multiple years. Let's say we select 2016, 2017, and 2018. Now, to see what kind of data we have in the D1 cell, we will just write equal to D1. We see that, we get comma-separated years, that is 2016, 2017, 2018. So, to extract the individual years from this comma-separated list, we will have to use the split function with comma as the delimiter. We will write, split text, is D1, comma, delimiter, is comma, so we will write in quotes comma. Let's close the bracket for the split function. We see that, we get the years, 2016, 2017, and 2018 in 3 different columns. Now, using these years, we will get the rows, where we get a match in the A to A11 range. So, for that, we will use the match function. Search key will be the array we get using this split function. Comma. Range will be the range of years where we have to search for the years given in D1 cell, that is, A to A11. Comma, search type will be 0, since we want an exact match. Let's close the bracket for the match function. Since this split function gives an array, we will have to use an array formula over this, otherwise we will get only one result, instead of 3 as expected. Let's close the bracket for the array formula function. So, we get the row numbers of the A to A11 range, where we get a match for the years selected in the D1 cell. 2016 is in the first row, 2017 is in the second row, and 2018 is in the third row, so we get 1, 2, and 3. Let's say we change 2018 to 2019, we see that, we get 4 instead of 3. Because 2019 is in the 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth row, let's change it back to 2018. So we get the row numbers as 1, 2, and 3. Now using these row numbers, we want to get the corresponding revenue from the B2 to B11 range, So for 2016, which is in row 1, we want the row 1 revenue, for 2017, which is in row 2, we want the row 2 revenue, and for 2018, which is in row 3, we want the row 3 revenue. For that, we will use the choose rows function. Array is the revenue array, which is from B2 to B11. Row numbers are the row numbers given by this formula. Let's close the bracket for the choose rows function. We see that we get the revenue as 10, 20, and 30 for the year 2016, 2017, and 2018. Let's say we change 2018 to 2019, so the revenue is updated to 40. Since for 2019, we have the revenue as 40. Let's change it back to 2018. Now, if we do the sum of these revenue values for the years selected in D1 cell, we will get the total revenue, so we will use the sum function over this formula. We get 60, which is 10, plus 20, plus 30. We will just cut this formula from here, and paste it in the F2 cell. Let's say we unselect 2017. So we want only the revenue for 2016 and 2018, which is 10 plus 30 equal to 40, we get 40. Again, let's select 2017, we get total revenue as 60. With this, we have successfully learned how to do multiple selection and drop-down in Google Sheets. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe if this video was useful.